Good evening, folks. This is Joe, back with a few more concrete and asphalt stories. This one tonight is about concrete. We were at this person's driveway in Martinsville, Indiana today, and I thought this was interesting. It started on a UPS truck, a heavy one, obviously, broke up, and then over the span of a year and a half or so, several months, it's degenerated to this where you have not only the main cracking, but now you've started having secondary cracking. I'll show you some more pictures of what's happening here. Here's another view of it from another angle. I'm sure maybe you've had some of it. I know I've had some of this idea, but where it'll start is you start having these cracks, and then the sub base. You see here, there's not any gravel. There's nothing left in here. And also you can kind of prove how thick it looks like they did pour it 4 inches. And then here's the culvert that's starting to show up as well. We think the culvert is intact, and if it is, it'll save him quite a bit of money as far as putting back new. But we're going to have to get permits and all that type of thing for this particular project. Here's an up close view of the cracks and what's been established, but it's one of those deals that we're going to have to take all of it out, put back in new sub base, what we call 53s, which is a smaller rock that has limestone dust in it, so that once compacted it turns almost to a rock hard or almost a concrete like material, and that'll allow the driveway to hold up a lot better and be able to take the onslaughts of a little heavier trucks. So if you need some help around Central Indiana with concrete or asphalt, patching, pairing, or even new stuff, please give me a call or an email that I'll leave there in the description of the video. Thanks for watching.